Good day, everyone. We're here to present our BPMN 2.0. So, for our group work, we analyzed our as-is enrollment process and identified several inefficiencies that cause delays and bottlenecks. After that, we created a to-be process to improve it using system integration. So, Mr. Kyle Angeles will discuss or tackle the inefficiencies that we found on our system.
Efficiency. In the old process, students had to for manual email confirmations from the registrar. This was inefficient because if the registrar was busy, confirmations could be delayed, which slowed down enrollment. In our new process, we revised this by creating an online enrollment portal where students can directly submit their forms and instantly receive confirmation. This removes wasting time. Second, inefficiency. The registrar had to manually assign exam, interview, and medical schedules one by one. This was very time consuming and created bottlenecks. In our to be process, we replaced this with an automated scheduling system. The system now generates schedules automatically and notify students right away through email or SMS. Third, inefficiency. From the dean's office were manually passed to the registrar before students could see them. This extra step caused delays and sometimes miscommunication. To solve this, we added a shared enrollment database. Both the registrar and dean's office update and access the same database. Results are posted in real time and students can simply log in to the portal to check their status. So the functional requirements of the new system is reporting of next Charles.
So let's proceed to the functional requirements of the new system. So first, the system must follow or the system must allow students to submit or enroll form online. Second, the system must validate students' documents automatically. Third, the system must generate exam, interview, and medical schedules automatically. Fourth, the system must notify students instantly of their schedules and results. And the last one, the system must allow both registrar and dean's office to access and update a shared database. Next one is the non-functional requirements. First, the system must be available 99.9% of the time. Second, the system must ensure security and privacy of students' data. And lastly, the system must be user friendly and accessible on both web and mobile devices. So, in summary, our to be process makes enrollment faster, reduces uh, manual work, and ensure real time communication between offices and students. And by automating confirmation, scheduling, and result, result, results posting, we solve the major bottlenecks in the original diagram. So this will be the end of our presentation that we worked on. So thank you so much, sir, for everything.